house if somebody didn't get hurt.
All right, before I drive down the driveway, I'll show you what I'm seeing for the first time. So we're getting forms up for the foundation walls. So far, all I can distinctly see is the garage and the room under the garage. So, you know, and a lot of cars. Party. Joel can build me a house, but he can't put his sunblock on every morning.
No, we all have our flaws.
Well, we each have our strengths. Let's
right.
focus on the strengths.
Yeah.
What do you think, Link? Do you see the house over there?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's weird that we're like moving.
It's weird to see progress.
Yeah.
Do you know if your birds found your nest over there?
The nest is over there.
Oh.
And when I went and checked, the nest is completely out. And the eggs were gone, but I don't see shells anywhere either. So I think the mom moved them or something.
I don't know if that's what they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we brought you some.
We did. I brought you some water, Joel. I want to show your outfit because I'm jealous. Let me see this thing. All right, we've got a Hoellein 06 jersey because that's the number you are. Cute. Turn around. Let me see you. Lincoln Roy. You look so cute. Your hair's getting long. Hi, sweetie. Good morning and welcome to episode 15 where we are pouring our foundation. From up here you can see a semi bird's eye view, and as I was driving down the road I was looking to see where I was parking, and you can see that the VIPs they're parked back here behind the house, and I can see Joel's truck and I can see Mr. Hoellein, the OG Mr. Hoellein. We've got Stan down there, and I don't know why. Well, I know exactly why. It brought a tear to my eye because I just really am grateful for how much Joel's dad is supporting him as he builds this home. I know that Joel's dad is so proud of him, and it makes me really happy that Joel has this time to spend with his dad. And I don't know, it just makes me feel really happy and really good that he is just as excited for us building this home as we are. So, all right, see you down there, Link. Lincoln's making his way down. He brought a paper airplane. And you know, he'd throw it and then it'd wind up right back in his face from the wind. But you know, I think he's surviving. He'll figure something out.
He looks real happy about the results. Look at his hair.
I know, and I forgot his hat.
Oh, I've got a hat in my truck.
For Lincoln?
Somebody's, one of the boys.
Okay. Guess what? Daddy has a hat for you.
Oh, your poor shoes. And your socks.
Wow.
Well, do not go in the house when we get
Oh
home.
my gosh. I'm not even worried about that. How are we going to get all those out? You can't get all those out.
It's just what happens with
All right, so don't buy mesh shoes.
no mesh shoes.
Joel kind of makes fun of me because I like to reiterate the steps that it took to get to where we are. But the reason I like to do that is because I didn't know these steps. So we have a video of digging the foundation, or the hole, that was first. Then we have a video on the footings, and that's the cement, you know, that goes around the edges. And
Footprint, the shoe of your house, if you will.
okay, so there's the footings. And now they're doing the foundation walls.
That's right.
And so they're getting those up. And today they're actually coming to pour the concrete.
Yep.
And then after that, they pour like the floor of the foundation, right?
Yep, after we get all the plumbing organized and set through here, we'll grate it and then we'll pour the floor.
Okay. And maybe that's just common knowledge to everybody, but I didn't know that those were the steps that you took to do what we're doing.
Bonnie kept saying, why can't they just pour it all at once? I'm like, well,
I did not say that.
you have said
I
that. Why
did
can't
not.
they pour it?
I did not say that. I am not that bad. You liar, pants on fire. Lowie.
Bonnie!
Yeah, I didn't realize that this is what it actually looks like. So you can see the footings down there that they poured. And then these are the footing walls that they put. They're like casts. And then they pour the cement in between. And then once the cement is dry, then you take the casts off. I thought that was really interesting. I did not know that that's how they did it. And I think that's pretty cool. Because now, when we were driving by a construction site, I knew what I was looking at, actually.
Be careful.
You want me to be careful so I don't fall in those?
Yeah, because if you do, you will be stuck for your life.
Stuck for my life. I believe you're the one standing on the edge. So maybe you should be a little careful too, mister?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
Or
all
you
right.
could climb those metal things too.
Yeah, I would rather us just not fall in, okay?
Yeah.
But thank you for warning me to be careful. Okay, this is a hole to our cold room. Now, if this is where the actual door is going to be, how come
this is our thing that's under the garage.
Yes, the cold room, the cold storage. Joel, is there? How come the door only goes to here?
Because that's just all we can handle. So just, it'll be a little bitty door. And it'll be fine.
Stop! Tell me why.
No, this is just so that the forms are still structurally holding the door in. But if you look, there's like lumber that comes side to side
Oh, so they're
and then all the way up.
so it won't fill this with concrete.
Nope.
Got it. Got it. I'm coming in here for the first time. I'm not gonna lie, when you stare at the plans, this room looks smaller than what the plans show.
This does?
Yeah.
So this is a playroom.
I think you're just not realizing just how big it is.
I don't realize how.
Right.
You look so tiny. He looks so tiny
I know.
down at the bottom of that.
Well, these things are 12 feet high right now.
Don't mind us. We're just making calculations and making plans for this room because it's the only thing that I can fully visualize and make Joel tell me and show me measurements
Over
all day, every day.
Over and over again.
It's because unless I can see it, it's not computing in my brain.
And just because she saw it once doesn't mean she'll see it again. We just got to reoccur the visual. Okay. I can do it.
Well, you know, we're sitting here in the bottom of this storage room. We'll sit here again when it's all finished.
Well, 5 weeks it's going to have a roof. That's wild.
Are you roofing kidding me?
Don't you roof and talk like that? What the roof we'll be dealing with here. So roofing mad.
Put that roofing measuring stick away. We're kind of hiding out in the shade. It's pretty toasty, huh, Lincoln?
Mm-hmm.
And what's this called? What's that big?
Boom.
The boom?
Cement truck. It's a pump. Cement pump.
And Lincoln said, what's that for? That is going to go in between the forms that they set to...
And then they're gonna
Pump
spray.
cement in between the forms.
They're going to pump it with cement.
You know how you fill up a bottle of water?
The exact same.
This will be the exact same thing, but that'll be cement in there going in between those forms.
This is the very first of the concrete. And you can see Joel, he is up in everyone's business. And I said, Joel, you got to make sure that you ask and make sure that you're not in their way. I said, I do not want to tick our workers off, so stay out of their way. He's like, oh no, they love it. It's great. I'm like, you don't know if they love it. One of the owners of the company brought his kids out and he has a little Boston. And I think Lincoln is very happy about it because it gives him someone to play with out here. Can you see Joel's makeshift stick? He's got his GoPro attached to a piece of...
Gotta get my job done.
You do. You're so much more creative than me. Joel's really into, like, you know, he's wanting to up his cinematography game. And me, I'm like, Joel, I am what I am. I can't do anything. If you want to spice my videos up, go ahead. But me, I just like to stand here, smile, laugh, you know. I don't know. I'm kind of lame.
You're cute on camera. That's what's good. Did I say that right, honey?
I hate you. I seriously, this little kid is so cute having him here. I was chatting it up with his wife. They go RVing all over the place. I'm like, want to be friends? Can we go RVing together? This first truck is empty. And we've got our second cement truck you can see coming right up over the ridge.
Where's the second
There he is.
comes out of the...
When that one's empty, the second one,
Yeah.
it will be. And then hopefully by then we'll have a third truck already here. Yep. Oh, I love having Joel show Lincoln just exactly what he's filming. If you guys want a very not lame, our vlogs aren't lame, but if you want a much more exciting vlog, go watch Joel's. He has done so good over on his channel. Today's task, I'll have it linked in the description for you guys. His videos are so good and he puts so much like heart into them. I love watching him. So each time when we come out, you know, and make a video out here, he makes his video, I make mine, and sometimes I borrow his footage. I think this is one of those instances where it's like working hard or hardly working, you know, you just really can't, you just kind of can't tell.
Useless busy, they call it.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, okay, so can I just bring it in, me and my wife?
Okay.
Yeah, these are sugar cubes.
I cannot believe Lincoln was like, are those sugar cubes? I was like, no, there's not sugar cubes.
Try it.
Stinking Joel bought sugar cubes to feed to the cattle, to lure the cattle up to our property line. Okay, you are not allowed to eat any more sugar cubes. What? Ah, big bird up in the...
Linky, what truck number is that?
Number 5.
Good job.
Well, he's over there playing with rebar, and he gets hurt jumping in the four-wheeler.
Just to get in some shade for a minute.
Yeah.
Did you get you another pizza, bud?
No, but this is his third nectarine.
Good criminy, you're not gonna poo solid for a week.
All right, do you guys see the cattle? Oh, look, there's more coming. They're walking the fence line, and Lincoln is so disappointed that we're not down there to give him a sugar cube. We are back the next morning. They basically let the concrete dry overnight, and now they are taking the forms off. You can see here's where the forms are, here's where they've taken them off, and then we're going to be left with our foundation walls. I guess a lot has happened since I've updated this place. They, you know, did the plumbing. That was a big deal. Joel and a contractor did that together. Then there's all this insulation, and what the red you're seeing is the tubing for our radiant heating, which we had to summon a little bit of help. Landon Daru here from the Daru Crew vlogs. If you would like to follow a really beautiful family inside and out, I'll put their channel in the description below. If it wasn't for Landon, this would not be ready for tomorrow. We have a 4:30 a.m. wake up call for concrete. Lifesaver. Thank you, Landon.
Oh, I'm happy. This is beautiful.
Hey, you want to go pour a foundation slab?
Mm-hmm.
All right, 4 a.m. Let's get out of here. Oh, Joel, slow down. The truck is bouncing all over the place. I'm trying to show how cool it looks out there. We've never seen a view like this with all the city lights. I mean, all the city lights, there's like 12. But the most important light is the pump truck. They're here, they are here bright and early. And it's the pumper that Joel likes.
No, it's a different one I've never met.
Ah, it's all right. I bet he'll still be great. It's gonna be great, gonna be great, gonna be great.
Right.
You can't tell me that's not cool. I mean, that's pretty cool. Got here and I was like, good morning, everybody. They're like, why are you so excited? I'm like, well, I'm probably more excited than you. You're here to work. I'm here to get a foundation slab. So I don't know how they're gonna do this in the dark, but we're gonna find out. I mean, that's just cool. Come on, this is awesome. I know we said this yesterday when Landon was here, but Landon truly saved our bacon with timing. I mean, maybe Joel could have got it done by himself, but he would have been out here till midnight and then out here again early this morning. So seriously, Landon, I just thank you so much. And it's not like he wasn't busy. He was busy and he dropped everything and came and helped, and I'm so grateful for him. And I'm really grateful to have this radiant heat. Maybe we'll have to lay down on the floor and have a party when we have our house done and we can feel the nice hot water running through the floor, heating up our house. I'm only interested in the prep work because Joel's the one that actually did it. But Joel backfilled all of this. So, I mean, this is just deep earth. So he backfilled and then he laid this insulation, taped it all down. Joel, it looks fantastic.
It's like a floating boat.
I'd hire you any day.
Yeah.
Your prices are real good. I think the sun's trying to come up. If I'm being honest, I'm surprised that Joel wasn't out there sooner. The kids' first time seeing the final product. We have foundation walls, foundation slab. The foundation is finished. Count how many times I said the word foundation in this video. They did come in and do some cut lines in here because this is the final floor for what we're doing in here. So cool. Yeah, it is really cool. How long did it take us to do this vlog? How long did it take to do the foundation?
It's a couple months altogether. Because your vlog shows footings and slab.
Yeah, so this vlog has been, I feel really happy closing this vlog because it's been a long time coming, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to our house building project, I will put the playlist, if you want to catch up, in the description below. Okay, bye guys. What's the word? Preparation.
Prep work?
So far, sorry. Good morning. Welcome to episode. That's not how I wanted to start it, but I guess I could.
Don't you rip and talk like that?
If I'm being honest. What are you saying? What are those called, Joel? Cut lines? What are they? Lowie.